A man calmly gazes at the flood outside his house, showing no concern as the water inches closer. Instead, he leisurely enjoys watching the fish swimming around. Days earlier, he sealed every door and window with super glue and blocked every ventilation point. Then, he taped up the gaps and sprayed on some glue. Not only can his house withstand the flood, keeping the interior dry, but it also offers a scenic view of the sea. Once the flood recedes, just grab the tape and peel it all off. But there's more to it. If there's a crack in the dam, a quick application of super glue seals it. A leaking bucket? Just a swipe of the super glue, and the hole is instantly plugged. Even if the lookout tower is washed away by the sea, a coat of super glue on the break restores it to its original state. So, can you guess what this is an ad for?